Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp if it's not working on your iPhone. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your App Store. Okay, tap on it. Now just find WhatsApp, just like so. And make sure that there is no available update right here. If there's an update button, tap on update, wait for the process to finish, and once done, open it up and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your settings. And in here, find general. Right here, tap on it. Now tap on iPhone storage. Tap on it. Now in here, we're going to find WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on offload data. Tap on offload app and just wait for it. Okay. Now you'll be able to see a reinstall button. So just tap on reinstall app and just wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up WhatsApp and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, make sure that your internet is properly working. Okay. If you have mobile data, try to connect to mobile data. Or if you have Wi-Fi, try to connect to other Wi-Fi as well. And check if it helps. So if those options still doesn't help, okay, listen closely, all right? You're going to want to force restart your phone. So press and quickly release the volume up button, and then press and quickly release the volume down button after that. Then press and hold the side button or the power off button until the Apple logo appears. And then after the logo appears, you can now go ahead and release. And that way, your phone is now fully restarted. Okay, after that, you're going to want to open up WhatsApp and check if it helps. If that still won't work, well, the last option you have here is to remove or delete the app and reinstall it from App Store. All right? And that is how you fix WhatsApp if it's not working on your iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.